Hi there, students. To win through. Okay, a phrasal verb meaning to be successful in the end. Despite all sorts of problems, despite all sorts of difficulties, he won through in the end. Yeah, my Indian friend, I admire him a lot because he's very dogged and he keeps trying and trying and trying, and in the end he always seems to win through to get what he's trying to achieve by sheer determination not to give up. So to win through, to survive difficulties, to reach a desired satisfactory end. So to win through to a better life, to win through finally and be successful. Okay, to be victorious, to get success. I was confident that my team would win through, despite the fact we started very badly. The politician kept trying even though the opinion polls were against him, and finally he won through. Yeah, okay, so he was victorious. He achieved success because of some factor or some particular method. If you win through by cheating, then I'm not really sure you've been very successful. Okay, hard work will help you win through. Yeah. Okay, so to win through, to become successful. My team won through to the finals, to overcome problems and to achieve your desired goal, to attain your objective in the end despite all of the problems along the way. So yeah, if you're going to be positive, you need to be sure that you are going to win through in the end. Let's see, the Hollywood film generally is made on the idea that love will win through in the end. Okay, so to finally succeed after trying very, very hard, the unions were confident that they and the workers would win through in the end, that they would finally be successful, even though there were all sorts of problems, all sorts of difficulties on the way. Let's see, I'm trying to work out if this win through is intransitive. Let's see, you can definitely use it intransitively. He won through. Intransitive, no direct object. He won through to the end. He won through it. He won through them. It and them being the difficulties, the problems. So certainly it's inseparable. Yeah, he won through it. He was extremely ill and people were worried if he would live, but finally he won through it. He won through the disease and got better. Okay, so to win through, I would say it's normally intransitive, but you could use it transitively, making it inseparable. Okay, so to survive difficulties, to survive problems, to reach a satisfactory end point. Yeah, to win through. Yeah, with perseverance and ingenuity, you can win through. Yeah, we made lots of mistakes, we muddled through, but we won through in the end. Yeah, okay, normally experience wins through against youth. Okay, well, it depends, yeah? So, to win through. Formality. We're going to have to win through. 4.5 informality. Use informally, use semi-formally in a writing, semi-formal conversation. In a very formal conversation, maybe, sorry, in a very formal writing, maybe not, but nothing else. And the origin, well, you are winning through the problems. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To win through.